Welcome back to my channel. I moved into my new apartment. As you guys can see, it's like way more sunnier. This is the kitchen, living room. I'm just gonna show y'all the parts I like the most. So living room, kitchen. I literally just moved in all my stuff yesterday, so clearly the apartment is still really messy, but today I'm gonna be unpacking and kind of just like getting a little bit more settled. I'm still gonna be staying at my parents for a few days, only because I don't have any Wi-Fi. I don't know, like apparently I can't get service in this apartment because it's too new, but like the apartments that are on different floors and stuff can get it, so I'm trying to figure that out. But we're gonna be focusing mostly on my kitchen and my living room today, at least, so I could have somewhere to sit whenever I come here. It's like it doesn't matter where you are in this apartment, the lighting is like immaculate. My hair is not cute today, y'all. Not having a very good hair day, but also it's so hot, so I had to tie my hair. I will definitely be doing an apartment tour, just not yet because the apartment is like so messy, so all you guys are gonna see are like boxes and stuff. First mission of today, let's get the couch where it's supposed to be. Wow, they freaking made my couch dirty. Whack ass broom. Oh my god. Also, excuse my outfit. I didn't bring enough clothes to my parents' house, so yeah, I'm stuck dressing like this. I don't know if I was ready for this. Alright, are y'all seeing this? This connects to this, and I'm not even sure if this is gonna freaking fit. Like, I'm gonna really have to try. Guys, good luck to me! Actually, that couch did fit, so I'm gonna go ahead and try to open my carpet. I left my scissors in the car. I got like extra scissors, but I honestly have no idea what bin they're in. Ah! I think I need my scissors. I don't know! Why? And why is it so hard? I don't think I can do anything else but really work on my kitchen, so we're gonna put all the pots and pans inside this cabinet. Can't forget these bad boys. Very important. We just made some progress. Tell me why the lighting right in front of my fridge is so good too. Excuse me? Who gave me permission to be this cute? This is the cabinet I'm using to put all of my kitchen gadgets. So I already have a few stuff in here. All my kitchen gadgets have a big place in my heart. My waffle maker. This makes the waffle into a bowl. Half of it is kitchen gadgets and the other half is like kitchen stuff that I don't use often but will still want handy, you know what I mean? Okay, I think this is good enough. I'm not very organized, so this is good to me. Alright guys, we've got Adora and Jewel. We're all hungover still. So
Who's we?
I think it's just Adora. My neck is sore.
Inside. My insides was so gross.
Are you pregnant? No, stop. Don't scare me. Okay, so we're just gonna go ahead and clean some more. We're just gonna leave you guys over here. We're gonna put our seasoning in this. Oh my god, you look like you're doing a commercial.
Have you ever had trouble with, what does lemon do?
Pooping. So I got this from the kitchen aisle.
Oh,
Like oil.
My nails sick.
Hey.
Yeah.
Oh. So this goes inside the drawers. Guys, I cut the thing perfectly. It fits.
That's a good intuition.
Oh god.
Like that?
Yeah. Oh, it's not perfect. Never mind, guys. Look at that shit.
Cut this rough.
Yeah. Oh, Lucky, that looks good. That looks hella good. Wow, I like it organized like this.
I think I want to get a nose piercing. I think you can look good with it. Just kidding. I'm scared of commitment.
You know, guys, texture is normal.
Nobody said it wasn't.
Face.
Wow. It's better with the foam. Maybe this one will be the one on top. This one's so cute.
Are you gonna put plants up there?
Just that'd be cute. One.
Kind of crooked. Like your teeth.
Your teeth aren't crooked.
Your teeth are not crooked.
It's not crooked.
You just have
Say
gaps,
cheese.
That's it. No, like my teeth are crooked.
See that?
Oh. Look how cute she is. Oh my god. This will go up here. For now. Just for now. I'm just gonna put this in the front.
Okay, beautiful now.
Men don't know what that is.
Hello guys. A few hours later, we went to go eat some food and stuff. But we're gonna be putting this carpet down.
No way.
Doo-doo. They'd be like, Alexa, notifications. They'd be like, your package has arrived.
Wow. I love that hoe.
Let's do this. You only need 2 files. Looks good? Looks good?
Yeah, looks good. Final product.
Alright guys, so this is my new air fryer, right? But I saw this exact one on Amazon and I already put it in my cart, right? I was ready to buy it and then I went to Home Goods and I found it for $30 less. So go to Home Goods, guys. It's so beautiful. I'm a whore for kitchen gadgets.
My dream to my nightmare.
Bye guys. Oh my god, so exciting. Zam, y'all, look at me. Zam. Ow, she said she got ass. You can see our fingerprints. Guys, wow. How cute is that? Hello guys, welcome to our podcast.
We are not together.
Hello guys, welcome to our podcast. Today, hello guys, welcome to our podcast. Today we have Adora. We have Adora. Hello. And we've got Jewel.
Hi.
So today we're gonna be talking about hot girl summer. How's it been for you guys?
Fucking tiring.
She's tired. No sleep.
Ow, no sleep.
Yeah.
So guys.
Oh my
I didn't realize
She just something in her face.
You said shit.
Wait, what about your hot girl summer?
Oh, yeah, I'm on girl shit. Too many ages. I'm on hot girl shit with a boyfriend still. Period. Do you guys like the lighting?
Oh my god, yes.
Bitch, I was asking you. All of us have broken necks from the rain the other day, so
Yeah.
we're struggling.
Your little commentary. Yeah. Yeah. That's it. That's the podcast. See y'all next time.
Yep, let us know if you guys want more. That's that. Bye.
That was really good content.
This is how the living room looks so far. So good. I know y'all like the lighting. I like it too. Alright guys, so that is it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys enjoyed us making the apartment look more homey, you know?
Whoa, who was that?
Go do it. Anyways, I will see you guys in another video. Bye. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Mwah. Mwah.